Hello everybody, this is Dever Checking. On this guide I'm going to show you how to use dynamic tags on Elementor Pro. Okay, so in order to use your dynamic tags, you have to download Elementor Pro. And I'm putting the link to download the Elementor Pro on the description below on this video. After you have already downloaded it and of course installed it, you can use it and add a new page to see how to use the dynamic tags. Now I'm editing it with Elementor and I can show you how to use it on the links and also on the text. Now let's take for example this heading and I'm putting it here. I can show you these dynamic tags to use, that you can take the post title and edit it here. Whatever you have here on the name of the page, you can put it here and of course add a before and after text and fallback if you don't have any text. Let's take for an example page. This sign can show you that how it built with the page title. Now let's see more options. I can put post custom fields if I edit it on the theme, and also post date, put the excerpt if I have, post ID, terms and time of the post that was advertised, that was published. Of course, if it's an archive, I can put the archive description, the meta and the title as well. You can also put the page title, which is the same as the post title, as you can see here. You can include context or not, and of course show home title if I want to, and I can put site tagline, site title, current date, time, and request parameter, which is this query strings up here, which has the parameter and the value that I can put here. The parameter name is action, for example, and it will show me this value here. You can of course put another before and after and fallback here as the same as the post title. When I go down here, I can put the featured media, user info, shortcode, and more of the author info, name and meta and comment numbers and so on. If you have WooCommerce, if this is an online store, you can also put title of the product, rating, sale, price, content, short descriptions and all that. And of course, if you have advanced custom fields, you can also put your fields right here. As you can see, you can choose the key. If you have put some keys and other fields that you can edit on the back end. Now let's go to the link. And as you can see here on the link dynamic tags, you have the archive URL, the post URL, which is the same as this page when you go here, and the post custom fields links as well. The site URL, the internal URL, is actually by type. You can put the content, which is the page name that you have. Let's say for example spices. If I have some pages on the website that called with the keyword spices and so on, I can go to the taxonomy and of course put here some categories or tags if I have, and link them right here when I click on this title. After that, I can go and of course add the media and author links if I have some of these parameters as well. And down here I can put also pop-up, which is amazing, and lightbox. The pop-up, if I created it on the backend with Elementor, I can put the name here and it will open the pop-up when I click here. Of course, it can also close the pop-up if I choose to put here the link, if I have already a pop-up that is opened. And I can also toggle pop-up right here when I just put the name and it will appear when I click it here on this title. You can put the author URL and the comments URL if you have them as well. The contact URL, if you have here parameters as well, you can see that you have this kind of link that you put here. When you click on this title, you can go and add the email right here. It will send whatever I want here on the subject, whatever I want here on the message. Automatically, when I click on this title, it will go and send this email with the subject and message already added. Again, the same as it goes with the telephone and of course SMS and of course WhatsApp and Skype and so on. This is how you do it with these basic dynamic tags that you can put. As you saw, it's very easy and very cool to use dynamic tags to make a lot of changes. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.